In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see resolved comments in Google Docs. It's a handy feature for reviewing the feedback that has already been addressed in your documents and might save you a lot of back and forth, especially in collaborative environments. Let's dive right in and go through the steps you need to follow. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you typically use. Once your browser is open, navigate to google.com. Here, you'll need to sign into your Google account. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to do so by clicking the Sign In button, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Once prompted, type your email address into the provided field, click the Next button, and then enter your password to continue. Remember, if you're using a shared computer, it's always a good idea to ensure you're signing in with the correct account to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've signed into your Google account, look for the small grid icon, often referred to as the Google Apps icon, in the top right corner. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu of various Google services. From here, select Google Docs to access your documents. After Google Docs opens, take a moment to browse through your files. Select the document you would like to view or edit by clicking on it. With your chosen document now open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find a comments button. This button typically looks like a speech bubble with 3 lines inside, representing conversation or notes. Clicking this button will open up the comment history panel, which is your gateway to viewing feedback and notes within the document. If you're only interested in resolved comments, you'll need to filter your view. To do this, locate the All Types drop-down within the comment history panel. Clicking on this will reveal several options. You can select Resolved from the drop-down to specifically see only those comments that have been marked resolved. Alternatively, if you wish to view both open and resolved comments for a comprehensive overview, you can leave it set to all types. Now scroll through the list to find any resolved comments you need to review. They will be displayed in chronological order, and you can identify the specific feedback that might need your attention. If by chance you find a resolved comment that requires further action or correction, you have the option to click Reopen. This will make the comment active again, allowing you and your collaborators to continue discussing or addressing any related issues. And there you have it. That's how you view resolved comments in Google Docs. It's a straightforward process that can really enhance your ability to manage feedback and streamline your collaboration efforts. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.